Meanwhile, President-elect William Ruto praised the Supreme Court for upholding his victory in the August 9th presidential election, saying he welcomes the verdict with humility, complimenting the judges for their professionalism and stating that the verdict has elevated the judiciary's reputation.
Ruto said the Kenya Kwanza alliance will give a brotherly hand to Azimio la Umoja, but not a handshake, as President Uhuru Kenyatta's government did to revive an active opposition. NTV's Melita Oletenges reports.
It was a march of victory for President-elect William Ruto and his wife Rachel Ruto as they walked to the podium at his residence in Karen, flanked by their children and the Deputy President-elect Rigathi Gachagua and his wife Dorcas Rigathi, together with the legal team that defended Ruto's win in court. Ruto praised the court for upholding his win.
It was taken up before the Supreme Court for scrutiny to make sure, beyond all doubt, that the will of the people had prevailed. The court returned its verdict, and I welcome it with tremendous humility.
Shall work day and night, but I must admit that though we may not be able to be as hardworking, to be as zealous, to be as passionate as you are, we'll give it our best shot. And I want to urge all our colleagues in this struggle, those who have been persecuted, those who have wounds, please let this victory heal all our wounds.
Ruto says he will extend a hand of friendship to the Azimio la Umoja coalition, but not a handshake, and that he shall recognize their role in the opposition.
As I committed to the people of Kenya, I believe in the rule of law. I do not believe in the handshake stories. I believe in an accountable government held to account by a responsible opposition. That is how Kenya is going to move forward.
With the Supreme Court petition out of the way, the road to State House is now clear for the President-elect William Ruto. The journey, he says, has been treacherous and unforgiving to him and his team.
I know many of you have suffered because of being my friends. Many of you have been taken to court. Many of you have been harassed, your children, members of your families. The only crime is that you chose me as a friend. I don't take it for granted.
Ruto and his allies have been at odds with the criminal justice system, calling their trials a political witch hunt to destroy his presidential ambitions. He says his government will not influence the criminal justice system of the country.
I commit that under our administration, nobody will be vilified or victimized or prosecuted for holding a contrary political view.
With all hurdles cleared, the President-elect William Ruto will now be looking into moving to State House from this residence that he has occupied for the last 10 years once he is sworn in on the 13th September. He is coming into office with promises of delivering all his promises he promised to the electorate on the campaign trail. Melita Oletenges, NTV in Karen, Nairobi County.